Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add map in Webnode. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Webnode, and when you're here you just want to, there are two ways how you can add a map. Just clicking right here plus and just click on map. Yes, and then you can like make it smaller by just inserting it as a column. This is the first way how we can do it. Or the second, oh my god, what happened with you here? The second way how we can add a map is, I will show you. It's just by adding the section here. And you can add it like, let me show you how. No, let me show you. By just clicking pages, add a page and create a contact page. If you want to do it like this is also another way. So again, these are like two columns. On the right side is a text, on left side is a map. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.